What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a little bit of a shop update for you. I got a comment on my last video saying that more of you guys wanted just raw footage and more updates on the builds and stuff. So today we're going to take you along with our new shop update. Now the shop is really full. We got all the shelves pretty much maxed out. We can clean them up a little bit. However, we had a bit of a proposition over on this side of the shop. We're going to do some moving it around. So this little cart, this stuff's going to get put away. We're going to get this cart out of here. We're going to get our balancer scooted over on this side of the E36. That's going to come later. And we're actually going to put another shelf in this section between the tires and this I-beam. It's going to be another one of those 6-foot shelves over there. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds about 12 of those black and yellow boxes, which is what we use to keep all of our parts organized, because we're going to be redoing all of our parts bins here soon. Recently, we've been parting out this Z3, and we have all the parts in this little bin here, and we're gonna have a lot more as we continue. So that's kind of an example of stuff we have no place to put it really on our shelves. We could squeeze it in. However, another shelf on that side of the lift will do the trick. We made it, boys. Promised land. All right, boys, here she is. Got your lovely little block. The head's a little standing up. Got the jack stands. Recalls. Dude, these prices are nuts. $300. I feel like this used to be like $250. Freaking inflation. Oh yes. Made it back to the shop. One thing we had to clear out for the tire balancer was this stack of trailer tires. So we simply just turned the air compressor sideways, moved the trailer tires right there, and now we have a perfect little spot for the wheel balancer. I'm just not sure how we're going to squeeze it past the S13. Might not be enough room. Might have to jack it up and kind of scoot it. Oh yeah. Woohoo!
Scared me so bad, that freaking.
Alrighty, wheel balancer's in its new little home in the back corner. It actually fits pretty well back there. So now it is time to move this dumb cart that was a mistake to buy in the first place. Clear this out because all this stuff will fit in like one box. This is all JZ parts and whatever. So that'll go in one box. And now we have this beautiful little space here that we can erect the shelf. Almost sliced.
Oh yeah.
Me open.
A dabble with the Fruit Ninja.
5 minutes later, new shelf's up. It actually is super nice. It fits perfect between the tires and the I-beam. It's literally snug on each side. And the new grates are actually black, so it looks really good. And it frees up a lot more space so we can get things more up instead of just scattered on the floor. We went ahead and bought more bins so that way we can label stuff and get some of this clutter picked up. Probably won't do it all tonight, but at least we can get some of the stuff out of the floor. Alrighty, quick update. Got 3 boxes up. Got our dirty towels. So we moved all of our microfibers. Don't pay attention to dirty and cleanish. Microfibers, and we got our jumper cable box. We're currently moving a few more bits and pieces from those shelves, and now we're working on those. All right, boys, this is what we ended up with tonight. The shelf is looking pretty dang good. Got our BCs up top, got, like I said, microfibers, and we have our jack stands down here, our little bead blaster, E46 parts that are about to be installed. Have kind of our leftover tools, and then we just got an empty one. We're gonna probably fill this thing up pretty dang quickly. We're actually gonna get a little label maker. So this is something else we've been working on. This is our new kind of bolt organizer and compartment. Since we got the new Harbor Freight toolbox over there, we got this little guy. So this is kind of where we keep all of our miscellaneous little bolts and nuts and little bits and pieces, like vacuum caps, P-clamps, banjo bolts, and then under here, more like random little washers, brake fittings, self-tappers, just stuff that's been kind of scattered. And right here is where we have all the beautiful little nuts and bolts. This is only a small fraction of what we have, but as you can see, they're labeled. So they're all kind of labeled. So we have a little label maker. And that's probably what we're going to do for these boxes, either a label maker or like a decal, so we'll know kind of what's in every single one. Because the handwritten stuff works, doesn't look that good, and we want it to look snazzy. But as you can see from the wide angle, the shop is a mess, but it's getting there. It's definitely a process. We need to get the table put up. We got the stainless steel table looking clean, but it's a process, guys. We got to kind of get it step by step. We can maintain it once we get it to the point we need to. All right, guys, let me know what you think of these types of videos. This is just a quick little Monday night video, kind of a little shop update and some more content for you. We can definitely do these a couple times a week. We usually post about once a week. So let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this type of video. We can definitely get more out to you. Maybe do some more live streams. Definitely want to stay connected with you guys. So if you enjoyed it, video thumbs up, comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a